On today's video, we're not working on the Accord, we're not working on the Civic, we're not working on the TSX. We're working on my dad's 2019 Toyota Highlander 2.7 liter. Well, this is my dad's 2019 Toyota Highlander, and well, it's got this horrendous drive belt tensioner noise. It sounds like, well, very bad noises from baby birds. So I just picked up the part from O'Reilly's and we're just gonna be replacing it today. So far all I've done is I used this double end wrench, used a 14 mil, went all the way down here to that, pulled it, well, I think, what was it, this way, and pulled the belt off, which is down here. And now I'm just gonna remove the tensioner and replace it with this one right here. Now, all I got to do is take off this bolt right here, which is a 12 or 14, I believe. Nope, it's a 12. I don't know why in some other videos they take out the alternator for this. Now that this is the new one, this is the old one's out. I'm guessing that the spring tension in here wasn't just enough, or probably the spring wore out, and so we're just gonna be replacing it with this. Yeah, knuckles got a little dirty. Just gonna replace this, put this back into the spot like so, down there, because you gotta match it up with this keyway right here, and then you put in your bolt that I have over there. So now that I've got the old one out, just gonna put the new one in. Gotta make sure that this piece lines up down there. There's about 2 to 3 holes. One hole in the middle for the bolt, and the other one, you know, doesn't fit that. So we're just gonna put that right there. But this thing, oh no. You know what? I'm gonna put the bolt in first. So, bolt in, and then this goes right here, goes right there. Start threading it in. Now that that's hand tight in there, just gonna use our ratchet that we used before, flip it the other way, and tighten that up. It was on there a little tight, just not too tight. Right about right there. Wasn't too tight, but also tight. It's aluminum, so you don't want to over tighten it. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put on the new belt. Also, another part from O'Reilly's, picked up a Gates belt, and I think that was a Gates pulley, and we got the new belt right over here matched up with the old one, and then we're just gonna put that in here. Yeah. So I pulled the bottom cover off just a little bit so I can access the AC pulley down there, and then I can have a little bit of access to the crankshaft, and I replaced the drive belt, and this is how the drive belt routes around. So we're just going to show you how the belt diagram is. So over here you have the crankshaft pulley. Then over here you have the AC pulley. Well, on top of that you have the water pump. Up here you have the alternator, and then right about right here you have the drive belt tensioner that we just replaced. So this right here with that 14 mil keyway that they have up on top. You're going to swing this out this way. That way you can put the belt up and over your crankshaft, around the AC pulley, over the water pump, back around, snaking around the alternator. And then we're just gonna go right under the tensioner pulley, and that should be that. Now you may hit a few bolts that stick out right about right here, and right here. Don't be too pressed about it. Just, you know, make sure to get the drive belt out of the way. That way you can put the belt on smoothly around the alternator. And then once you're done putting the belt on, you know, just get underneath, put that one clip in the 6 bolts that you just pulled out, put the splash shield back on, and then turn on the car. So once you get in, well, once you have the belt put on, just come over here, make sure to turn on your car. No weird abnormal noises, no lights other than, well, the seatbelt light. No abnormal noises other than probably your dash cam turning on. And yeah, turn on the AC, no weird noises, clutch is engaging, give it some revs, no weird noise, put it under a load, and drive, nothing happens. So I'd say that's a good repair right there. If you guys liked the video, hope it's helped out a few of you guys when you watch this video. Maybe gave you guys some quick pointers on how to replace that drive belt. Hope you guys are well, hope you guys are safe. And yeah, if this is the kind of video you like, please just subscribe or hit that like button, or just even leave a comment below. Just a quick Accord update. This is where the Accord sits. The wrap is off, the rear wing is off. I actually have it back over there. The rear bumper needs to be replaced with the OEM one that's in my attic. I still have to unwrap all of that. And then we still have the Thailand front bumper over there. But yeah, this is kind of where we sit at. I'm devastated, but I'm also happy that we're at this stage. I can't wait to show you guys on the future videos on where this goes to, where I'm that guy. It's the spoon themed Accord, so we're just gonna keep doing spoon theme stuff on here.